Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tabby and today I'm going to do a what's in my bag, what fits in my Chanel Diana bag. I recently just posted a video on my review, pros and cons on this bag, and the video got like super long, so I didn't want to put a whole what fits in my bag and talked about that. So I wanted to do this video quickly so that you guys have this to reference what fits inside the Chanel Diana bag. Alright, so before I get started, my name is Tabby. Hi, welcome. I like to do videos on fashion, luxury, lifestyle, and vlogs. And if you like videos like that, please hit the subscribe button and also like this video if you like content like this. Alrighty, let's get started. So I have my Chanel Diana bag. Like I said, I did a whole review on it. I will link that and put that in the description box down below. So today I want to show you what I kind of fit on, what I carry on an ordinary day. Now this bag is the medium Chanel classic Chanel Diana bag. It is the bigger of the two, and I hear that the small carries as little as a mini flap. I'm not quite sure because I never had one, but this one fits a good amount but not a lot. So let me show you what's inside. Okay, so you have the gold-plated clasp that comes with the vintage bags, and then I open it, and inside, as you can see, it is pretty full right now. Okay, so first things first, I have my Damier graphite Louis Vuitton 6 key ring holder. I always have that because of my keys and a few essential cards. Excuse me. And then next I have my Louis Vuitton key clay. This is an oldie but goodie. I love this thing, so handy. And I've had this for, gosh, 7-8 years. This carries my credit cards, my debit cards, and some extra gift cards. And then next I will pull out my, we're tangled. Help. Okay. We have my Damier Ebene Louis Vuitton mini Pachette, and this houses my, pretty much like it's just my catch-all. So it has extra mask, cash, it has lipstick and lip gloss, and then hand sanitizer. So yeah, just the little essentials in there, which is nice. And then next I have my iPhone 8 Plus, and I really like this case. It's very cool, kind of like a little marble case. So we have that. And then lastly, in the back pocket, I didn't use the zipper pocket, but in the back pocket I have this little mint. It's like, ooh, if you guys know, this is like the mint from the Asian market. Really like it. It kind of tastes like yogurt mint, but anyways, yeah, I like that. And then that is really all that fits inside this bag. So it carries essentials. It doesn't carry a lot. Usually I carry like way more than that, but if I just wanted the essentials, it really just carries these main things right here and my phone. Now, let's see, I'm gonna try to see, I have also my Chanel sunglasses holder and my glasses. And I don't know, a lot of times people like to carry their sunglasses or actual like driving or reading glasses. So, and these are them right here. They are like black framed, and then they have like a little CC on the side, if you can see. Okay, there we go. So it's a little CC there, and these are how they fit. Oh, I need to clean them. Oh my gosh, my prescription. These are strong. Oh wow, it's been a while. Anyways, so a lot of people like to carry glasses. So you can, you know, this is a typical sunglass case size. And if you wanted to put it inside, it fits very nicely, like so. Again, say I don't want to carry my mini Pachette, just put my key holder in, and then put my clay in, and then it's pushing it. My phone in, and then that's pretty full like that. I wouldn't carry the mini Pachette in there because there just really isn't room, but there'd be a little bit more for like, again, like lip gloss or whatnot. So again, like you see, it carries the essentials, not a lot, but I do really like this bag. Again, check out my review if you want to see more, but that's basically what fits in this bag. I'll show you what it looks like on with my outfit. Little quick mod shots for you guys. So I'm 5'2". This is what it looks like crossbody. And then this is what it looks like on my shoulder. And so yeah, that is basically it, guys. I just want to make this, I just want to make this short and sweet because I'm gonna do a few errands and I really wanted to get this video out for you guys. Like I said, if you have any questions, let me know, but that's basically what fits in here. Again, you can put other things in it, you know, but you kind of get the idea of the gist of it. It's not too big, not too small, medium size, and carries your essentials. All right, guys, well, if you like videos like this, don't forget to like because it really helps me out, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.